When organizing our closets, we usually spend a lot of time arranging. However, taking into account some simple tips, we can optimize the space and make this task easier. Today's video will discuss 5 tips for arranging and organizing clothes in your wardrobe. If you are new to Remedies 1 channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. There's nothing better than being able to find your clothes quickly when you're in a hurry. However, due to many daily demands, sometimes we find a mess in the closet that makes this task difficult for us. The most frustrating thing is that sometimes we dedicate time to organizing clothes and, later on, we see that these efforts were in vain because everything goes wrong again. The problem is that we ignore the tricks to optimize space and end up saturating the drawers. How can you arrange and organize clothes without spending a ton of time on it? Believe it or not, even if you think you have no space, there are tricks that make it simpler. The best tips for arranging and organizing clothes in your closet. When we go to arrange and organize the clothes in our closet, we usually separate the garments by category. However, these measures aren't always enough. What else can we do? 1. Use circular containers. Some circular containers, either tin or plastic, can be useful to separate the small accessories that make the closet look messy. You can put them in drawers and store scarves, bandanas, or belts in them. 2. Roll up your shirts. Folding shirts or putting them on hangers isn't always the best option for everything to look neat. A simple way to accommodate them is to make small rolls and separate them according to the color, for example. 3. Accommodate vertically. The previous option sometimes does not attract attention when arranging and organizing clothes in the closet. Therefore, there's another great option for storing your shirts. A very simple option that also optimizes space is to fold them vertically inside drawers. 4. Put scarves and hooks. Clothes hooks are a perfect element to gain more space when organizing your wardrobe. In this case, you use them to hang scarves, bandanas, and other long accessories, since it makes them look ordered and prevents them from getting tangled. 5. Use hangers with colored thread. The customization of hangers for clothes is a very useful trick when we want to find everything in its place. By covering them with colored threads or ribbons, these allow you to sort your garments into categories. What do you think about this idea regarding arranging and organizing clothes in your wardrobe? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.